Hello my dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Emmanuel. Today we will discuss one of the most important and one of the most easiest topics in our polity, that is the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha difference. So if you are studying the topics in polity, if you study difference wise, it becomes very easy. Therefore I am bringing you difference between like president and vice president, difference between Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, difference between PM and CM. So these all differences I will cover in these courses. So please, if you like my course, please subscribe the channel for the next upcoming videos. Let us start. So here Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha is also called as lower house and Rajya Sabha is also called as upper house. This is the other names of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. And this Lok Sabha members will be elected by the direct election and Rajya Sabha members will be elected by indirect election. What is the meaning of direct election? See, direct election means here people are taking part in the election, but here the elected members of state legislative assembly will elect the Rajya Sabha members. Please remember this point. Lok Sabha members are directly elected by the people. So one more thing is, the Lok Sabha is also called as temporary house, okay, and Rajya Sabha is called as permanent house. Why we are calling Lok Sabha as a temporary house? Why I am calling Rajya Sabha as a permanent house? See, Lok Sabha tenure is about 5 years. So before this 5 year also, Lok Sabha can be dissolved by the president. If this Lok Sabha is not having confidence, then there may be a confidence motion in the parliament, then this Lok Sabha may be dissolved before the 5 years. Therefore we call it as a temporary house. But Rajya Sabha is not temporary, it is permanent, because it is having 6 years of tenure, but 1/3 members will retire every 2 years. So after every 2 years, 1/3 members of Rajya Sabha get retired. So Lok Sabha members are Rajya Sabha members are continuously present in the house, but Lok Sabha will be completely changed after 5 years. Therefore this is this is temporary, this is permanent. Let us go to next point, that is age. What is the minimum age to become the member of Lok Sabha? The member needs minimum 25 years of age to become the member of Lok Sabha. If I want to become the member of Rajya Sabha, then I should complete at least 30 years. If I compare Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, the Lok Sabha is more powerful than the Rajya Sabha, because Lok Sabha members are directly elected by the people. So if I am directly elected by the people, then I am more accountable to the people, right? So therefore Lok Sabha is more powerful than the Rajya Sabha. And these people are indirectly elected. The elected members are electing the Rajya Sabha, their Rajya Sabha members, therefore they are not that much powerful. Lok Sabha is more powerful. Next is, what is the maximum strength of this Lok Sabha? Maximum strength of this Lok Sabha is 550. So 550 is maximum member. 530 members will be coming from the states. And 20 members are coming from union territories, and 2 members are called as Anglo-Indians. Who are these Anglo-Indians? These Anglo-Indians are appointed by the president. Okay, these 2 Anglo-Indians are nominated by the president to the Lok Sabha. So please remember, 550 members are maximum members. From that, 530 members are coming from the states, 20 members are coming from union territories, and 2 members are Anglo-Indians, which those 2 members are nominated by the president. Okay, next, what is the next here, if I come to the Rajya Sabha, what is the maximum strength of Rajya Sabha? That is 250 members. From this 250, 12 members, please remember this number, this is very important. 12 members are nominated by the president. So from which category those 12 members coming from? Those are coming from LASS, that is LAS. LAS means, L means literature, A means arts, S means science, and another S is social services. So the members which are elected by nominated by the president will come from this category. Next is, what is the present number of the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha members? If I see the present members, that is 545. So here that is 245. Next, who is the head of this Lok Sabha? The head of Lok Sabha is nothing but the Prime Minister. Why? See, Prime Minister is elected by the elected members of Lok Sabha. He is the leader of Lok Sabha. Therefore, we call Prime Minister as the leader of Lok Sabha. Like that, Rajya Sabha, in the Rajya Sabha, Vice President is also called as ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha. So please remember this point. This question has come many times in exam. And one more thing, if I talk about money bill, so Lok Sabha enjoys more power when it come when I talk about the context of money bill, but Rajya Sabha doesn't exercise that much power when it over the money bill. So always one more thing you remember is money bill always introduced in Lok Sabha, not in Rajya Sabha. Okay, but here some powers are also there in the Rajya Sabha, that is All India Services. All India Services. So All India Services will be, these all powers related to All India Services will be exercised by the Rajya Sabha, but money bill, when it comes about the money bill, the Lok Sabha exercises more power. So I hope you enjoyed the class. If you enjoyed, please subscribe to my channel and wait for next video, and also hit bell icon so that you will get notifications for every video. Thank you. Bye.